Okay, now we're back.
Yeah, stop. We pause and we are back.
We have to go make shishi
Yeah,
and make room on the camera.
and of course, like my cars that came in today, and we did the thing. We also had to doodle 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 doodle. All right, so moving on.
Batman.
Yes.
Doodle 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 Batman. Oh, it's out of focus. Let's try that again. There. Well, this is ideal. It says asylum. Probably
True.
should be in there.
Yeah. So this nice.
And glare.
This doodle 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 doodle.
Batman.
All right, yeah, that's from whatever the guy's name is, Lobotomy 960 or Irritable Bowel Syndrome 960, whatever his name is. Thanks, Mr. Butt Plug. All right, here we go. So this is the Lamborghini Murcielago. Sounds like a Ono soup, yeah. Give me the Murcielago with some bread. So this is nice. I'm not feeling the gray.
I'm not sure why they. That's the only one that's not a Batmobile.
It's not a Batmobile, but I think Bruce Wayne drove it.
This series.
He drove it in the Dark Knight.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but it's not a Batmobile, but
You should have put him in a Datsun 510.
When you're a billionaire, you pretty much can drive whatever the hell you want.
Probably
And
bought Datsun.
he probably bought them, bro. And now they're called That Son. Look at that Dark Knight. They even got the car on there. Look at that. Nice. Nice. And it's some DC. All right. So let's see.
It's so dark.
You must be from the Dark Knight universe. Dark Knight universe. Did I say Dark Knight universe?
Knight universe.
Wow, bro. I'm like jamming over here, bro. Woo! You see what happened? When I get bust up stuff from eBay. Okay. Ooh. Again with the gray. What happened, Hot Wheels? You guys ran out of paint. Why not chrome them?
Somebody didn't spill white in the.
Why not gold chrome them?
Give them too much ideas. We gotta do it ourselves.
Oh, sorry. Why not paint them?
Why not paint them yellow?
So, this one is, the 89 Batmobile, the Michael Keaton one. This one is like a glossy, semi-glossy gray. And, yeah, not really enthused over here. Either one of us. So
very excited.
Yeah, I'm just like, geez, gray. Wow, bro. Okay, bro, that's the best you guys can do. Shoots.
The only thing going for it is it's a metal base. So this probably can win some pretty good races.
Yeah. Now this one looks nice.
Oh, is that gray?
No, this is black. It looks like this is like a coating, like undercoating black, like a matte, not a matte coating, but I like the blue rims, bro. That's nice.
Yeah.
And you can see the windows are blue too, if you can see them.
Yeah.
Or like
the
this,
angle's kind of bad. The lighting. Oh, look at is that blue lines?
Yeah. Blue lines. Visions. All right. So, is that the whole set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. All right. Here it is. I like how they just keep saying Batmobile, but it's the Brave and the Bold. See, on the bottom, it just says Batmobile, and then up here, it'll tell you what it is. This one is cool. I like this one. It has that same kind of, I don't know.
Flat?
Yeah. Like asphalt black.
Yeah.
But, with the red anodized rims. Why not just anodize the whole with the fins and everything? Not just like the whole rim, not just the lip. I get it though, but like something's written on the fin. But can you see it? Is there anything written on the fin?
No, can't see it.
Can't see it. Okay. How about now? This one is cool though. I like all the cards. All the cards on this series is nice.
Yep.
Really cool. All right, Batmobile. Here we go once again. Okay, we got one more. I figure I just do the whole Batmobiles. Wipe out the Batmobiles.
Is that the last one?
Make sure if I throw the box over there. Yeah, that's the last one.
Okay, last one.
Okay. And we got a ZAMAC. So you do have multiples now.
Yes, I do.
There we go. Okay, so this is a huge box over here, and this is awesome. It's some cool stuff. Got a couple of treasure hunts. I do like that cloak and dagger, even though it's kind of weird looking. I like the color, and the Batman set is friggin' awesome.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
That's gonna go good in the collection, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna unpack my 1/18 scale ones.
Yeah, these are nice.
Those.
Okay, so we got one more to do, but with this segment we are done, people. Mucho and magnanimous mahalos. I was trying to make up 2 words. Sorry, it just didn't come out right. I sounded dumb.
Magnanimous.
Yeah, I was gonna say Magnavox now. Okay, so like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We got more to come. And if you got any comments like that, hit us up. If it's stupid, then no write them. So thanks again for watching, everybody. And hey, we got to give anybody a heads up. Like who all the guys that give us love, man. So anybody that gives us love, we should give them a heads up, man. Props.
Probably. I cannot remember right now. It's late.
Oh my God.
We'll do it in the next video.
All right, the next video we'll give you some love, man. All right.
We'll do some research in between.
Yes, we'll do. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we out of here once again. The name is
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.